Hello, my name is Charlotte. On this video, I'll be showing you how to add a new equipment using Artintech ERP system. Currently, we are on the dashboard. From here, we will scroll down to Maintenance. From there, we will scroll down to Equipment. Click on Equipment and scroll up, click on New. Once you are in equipment details, you then now can add in all the information. On equipment name, I will write in 50-gallon mixer tank. Equipment type is a mixer. Equipment number for manufacturer, I'll write in this. Location, main facility, department, productions, work center 1, purchase date, warranty expiry, let's say it expires in 2 years from now. There we go. And purchase price, 20,000. Supplier. Let's select a supplier. Let's put in new. Serial number. Model number. From there, you will scroll down and you will add in any notes that you need. For notes, I will put in needs to go through all preventive maintenance regularly. From there, you can upload a file, preventive maintenance list. If there are any manuals or instructions from the manufacturer, you can add them here. Once you have entered in all your information, you can go ahead and press submit. And that is how you add a new equipment. Thank you for watching this video. Please follow us for more.